I'm Swastika. I'm going to present Droute, which is a fully autonomous zero cost sales automation engine that I built from scratch. So, first of all, I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to create a campaign and I'm going to, let's say, create AI tools, which goes into the category of AI companies, let's say USA. And I'm going to propose an automated payout mechanism. I'm going to launch the pipeline, right? It's going to take some time, but I can see it here, maybe right here. So it's created. We can see the system logs here. It has already found one company. It has enriched it. We can see here that it's trying to find a email for the companies. It will scrape their websites for pain points and enrich the lead. And it's searching DuckDuckGo and crawling the PDFs for contact emails. And we can see that after it's resolved an email, it will upgrade its state. And after that, it will finally ping the Gemini API to create a personalized emails, which will go into the review queue. So let's now talk about the engineering aspect of it while this runs. So the whole project is created on free tiers, right? Entirely on free tools. DuckDuckGo for searching and Gemini for AI part. Now, as we know, free tiers are they have strict rate limiting. So to handle this, I created a wrapper basically. So if DuckDuckGo blocks us uh, with too many requests or drops a connection, it will catch the exception and then it will initiate a backup. It will try up to 3 times to back up the sleep delay. Furthermore, when we deployed it to the cloud, the data center IPs were getting permanently blocked out by the search engines. To bypass this, I refactored the AI discovery to actively predict company domains to allow us to scrape the websites directly and to uh, get past the search engine bottleneck. Now, to handle the AI latency, LLMs hallucinate, right? And they return bad JSON or simply time out. So firstly, I enforced a strict schema on the Gemini API calls. If the AI returns a malformed JSON, the parser will catch it immediately. And then the DRoute also relies on an idempotent state machine, which is tracked in SQLite. So if Gemini times out and the orchestrator also crashes, we will not be losing our data. And the next time the orchestrator runs, the queries, it will query for the database for leads, especially in the email found state, and it will resume exactly where it left off. So we will never double process or double email a target. Hmm. Now let's talk about the financial aspect. Uh, why do we need a custom engine when other alternatives already exist? So, looking at the operational cost of the scaling, uh, suppose a campaign of 10,000 leads. If we use those alternative platforms, we will be paying in thousands of dollars at a minimum per year just for the contact data. And to use AI orchestration, like maybe suppose Clay or Instantly, those personalization will be charged by the credit. So that could cost you hundreds of dollars every month. So now looking at this alternatives or Droute, it's completely built on free tools. The only factor that we have to consider is the persistent render web server that we may have to pay for, which will be around $7 per month, which is equal to a pinch of salt as compared to the other alternatives that we have. Also, we will be owning the extraction engine. We will be owning the proprietary SQLite database. We will be owning the prompts. It's an open source project. So it's a better superior long-term investment for our growth engine, and that is still out for us. It will take some time. It has already enriched these companies, and it has also built this personalized emails. I will just be approving and sending it. You can also reject, regenerate the email, and enter a custom email if we don't think this is the right one. So now I'm going to check it. This is the one I have sent to scale.com. So this is my project. I can manually approve these emails. So to uphold the reputation of my campaigns, human in the middle, Kate, I can also create other pipelines and other campaigns and manage them accordingly. Suppose this one, I created a donor campaign. I can approve and send it. It will be working just as fine. And that is my project. Thank you so much.